Today, we're diving into a question I've gotten a lot lately. Can I borrow money from Pocketguard? Now, if you're new here, Pocketguard is a popular personal finance app that helps you track your income, expenses, and savings. But can it also act as a quick cash lifeline? Let's find out. Before we jump into the main question, let's talk a bit about how Pocketguard works. Essentially, it's a digital wallet that connects to your bank accounts and credit cards. It categorizes your transactions, helps you set budgets, and even provides financial advice. So, given its role in managing your money, it's natural to wonder if it could also lend you a helping hand during tough times. Now, the short answer is no, you can't borrow money directly from Pocketguard. It's not a lending platform. Its primary function is to help you manage your existing finances, not to provide new funds. Alternatives to borrowing from Pocketguard. But don't worry, there are still plenty of ways to get financial assistance. Here are a few options. Family and friends. This is often the first place people turn to when they need a loan. It's usually a more informal arrangement, and you can often negotiate terms that work for both parties. Personal loans. If you have a good credit score, you might be eligible for a personal loan from a bank or credit union. These loans typically have fixed interest rates and repayment terms. Credit cards. While credit cards can be a double-edged sword, they can also be a useful tool in a pinch. Just be sure to use them responsibly and pay off your balance in full each month to avoid interest charges. Online lenders. There are numerous online lenders that offer short-term loans, sometimes referred to as payday loans. However, these loans often come with high interest rates and can be difficult to repay if you're not careful. Debt consolidation loans. If you have multiple debts, a debt consolidation loan can help you combine them into a single, often lower interest loan. Tips for responsible borrowing. When considering borrowing money, it's important to be responsible and make informed decisions. Here are a few tips to keep in mind. Only borrow what you need. Don't take on more debt than you can afford to repay. Shop around for the best rates. Compare offers from different lenders to find the most favorable terms. Read the fine print. Understand the terms and conditions of any loan before signing on the dotted line. Create a repayment plan. Figure out how much you can afford to pay each month and stick to the plan. So, while Pocketguard can't lend you money directly, it can be a valuable tool for managing your finances and avoiding the need to borrow in the first place. By using Pocketguard to track your spending and set budgets, you can better control your finances and reduce the likelihood of needing a loan. With that said, thanks for watching. Until next time.